Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Well, I'm 80 years old to know, but I'm only 79 in fact. But my kumari said that when you reach the age of 79, you say you are 80. Well, I go back and I'm glad to see all of you, all successful in your chosen careers. Maybe as parents, as single mother, or rather a spinster. I hope no one is a spinster here. Well, actually, you see, I'm arthritic. I have osteoarthritis. And I could hardly spend time to move around. I sit, well, I cook, but it really is a burden to me to move. But when we had that dancing here, the first time I ever did to move around, clap my hands, forward, backward, now I'm quite flexible. Going back, and I'm glad to see almost all of you here, especially Roy. Roy, where are you? You are out already, isn't it? Yes. It's too bad, Roy, the Madonna that you sent through your father to me when I was the principal of Pasay South. May I sit down? Was eaten by the mice, but I still keep the frame with the dedication at the back, and I still have them at home. Well, going back, maybe you were the last of the class of the pre-college and the vocational. Which, when I see the problems now in the newspaper, I always tell my husband, you see, these people who graduated with vocational and pre-college are well made. I wish they will go back to that curriculum. Because the way we see you now, with all your successes, whether you're a professional or just a plain, how do we call it? In military, that's plain clothes men. Well, we see that deep in your hearts, you are, you have values that would that's worthwhile emulating by the others who are graduates today. As John said, and I was very glad, he said that you are all concerned about the less fortunate people around you, not only your classmates, but all other, well, let's say global, huh? We are in the global age now. All other peoples that you meet, wherever you are. You are very much concerned. See, John was very correct. He was very correct to have this reunion also to make your foundation richer and better known. Similarly, there are other alumni batches who think about that. But I think this batch is one of the organizations that are more deep in their hearts concerned about their neighbors, their classmates especially. Well, you see, Mrs. Chua is my mother, of course, but she does not want to come anymore. She said she was tired. But I said, you're tired, but I cannot walk that much. I cannot even stand up very long. That's why when you're standing up activities, I did not stand up, but when you dance, I stood up. And that's also because that's my cue. Yes. Well, you know, your class is very invaluable, really.
Statistic basis.
In fact, you have the vice president classmate, I mean schoolmate, Video Martina. You happen to be my student when he was first year high school, 1956. But he transferred to going back again, we were differing because I have no driver. My husband cannot drive this far. He has retired. We are both retired. I retired as a principal. But you must have heard that I retired at the age of 59. Why? The teachers did not like me except Miss David. They don't like me. They wrote the superintendent that I have to be transferred. So before I transferred, I retired. See, my father said, oh, you better go back to the province. Your salary is only 4,000 pesos. He said, at the time in 1989, and you better take care of the mangoes and sell mangoes. Magpausok ka na lang ng mangga. O hindi, sige, sabi ko, magpausok ng mangga. And then, when we harvested, sabi ng apo ko, Lola, nasaan ang medyas? Wala. Bakit? Oh, medyas ka naman. Ano, medyas ako? May mga tikles na kasama ng binti ko. Eh, napunit na yung medyas. Sabi ko. But in short, really, you ask Mrs. Paras. Really, they did not like me. I hope it's not Mrs. Paras was one of them. No, she was not really. So, as a principal for 10 years, I retired, stayed home, took care of all my grandchildren, with 11 grandchildren and 5 children. Now, again, I'm always thinking about you people who were then so much disciplined at that time. Yes. Isa lang ganun ng mata. Malalaman mo kung sinong mga paa at kamay ang nagsasalpukan dyan sa silong ng desk. Yes. Now, because Mr. Fajardo said, as a teacher, you should have a compound eyes. You can see what is happening at your back, at your side, at your peripheral vision and everything. So, alam mo yan. And you are the product of this kind of discipline, the values that the teachers have taught you. Only, it's so sad to say that most of your teachers who were then, at that time, very active, and to see to it that you are in the right hand, that you will be in the right hand when you graduate, are already gone ahead of us. So, thank you for saying a prayer for them. And I wish you all the luck, all the vision that you have for the future, for now, for your fellow men, for your classmates for that matter, and for your teachers. Thank you for inviting us tonight. Thank you. I came from Antipolo and I bet in Paranaque because he said to come. I wanted him to come and dance. Nice to meet all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Take your time. I'm talking so much.